Welcome back. Well, another mild one for tomorrow. In between, a foggy start once again tomorrow morning. The fog could be quite thick and more widespread tomorrow morning as opposed to this morning. So keep that in mind. Get up a little bit early. Allow a little extra time to get where you're going tomorrow. After that, front on the way tomorrow evening, and much cooler air will follow as we head into the weekend. So let's take a look at the upper level pattern here. First off, we are looking at storm tracks that are pretty much north and west of us, impacting the northern states and the west coast, and then they're generally moving off to the north and east. Thus, we're under the influence of a pretty large subtropical ridge of high pressure. Thus, temperatures near 80 today. 79 was the high, 80 yesterday, and tomorrow mid to upper 70s before the front gets here. But our winds are going to be bridging and turning around now the west-northwest. We might even see a little cooling by the afternoon, but another mild one tomorrow after that morning fog. You can see the winter weather continues to follow the storm path up across the northern tier of states. Farther to the south, we have a frontal boundary with a weak area of low pressure, and that same front is going to get a push our way as we head into tomorrow. But again, not much push with this front, so we don't expect much in the way of shower activity, although we've boosted up the rain chances just a bit as we head into tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Right now, we have the showers and a few rumbles of thunder perhaps up toward Oklahoma, but we're not expecting thunderstorms here, just ground clutter close to home. But we do have that dense fog advisory to reckon with, and that is from midnight tonight through 10 a.m. tomorrow. Could be slow to lift in some areas, especially around Lake Pontchartrain, especially the coastal areas where fog's beginning to come in. We were watching the visibilities, and this is what it looked like first thing in the morning. And look at these dark spots over by Lake Pontchartrain. That's where they had the big wreck. And southwest Louisiana had most of the fog this morning. It did get down to a quarter mile in New Iberia. Now, current readings, Patterson, we were at 3 miles earlier, now 1.75. Homa down to a quarter mile. Abbeville visibility starting to come down, and the same over toward Lake Charles. It looks like the south side of town, things are starting to get thick. So fog on the way, and it will only expand as we head through the overnight hours with visibilities between a quarter and a half mile more than likely, and near zero in some spots. So keep that in mind. And again, fog slow to lift during the mid-morning hours. By lunchtime, though, the winds bridge around out of the west-northwest, and that'll clear out the fog and leftover clouds that we may see. So foggy start, then here comes that front with the risk of scattered showers and a few thunder showers perhaps. Not expecting any severe weather. Rain chance at about 30–40%. Then breezy and cooler as we head into Thursday. Nice day on tap for Thursday. Cooler with highs in the low to mid 60s. And here comes a secondary front as we head into Friday. That's going to ensure a nice and chilly weekend, and overnight lows getting back down into the middle 30s. Maybe a little frost comes Saturday, if not Sunday morning. But in the near term, still mild tonight, upper 50s to near 60 across much of the area through the overnight hours tonight. And then tomorrow, daytime highs generally in the mid 70s. We'll go 75 Ville Platte, Opelousas, 76 in Lafayette, Crowley as well, and mid 70s down across the coastal parishes. Then for tomorrow night, now it's starting to cool off. There'll be a breeze as well, low to mid 40s. And as we get to the I-10 corridor, upper 40s to near 50, and much the same down across the coastal parishes for Thursday morning. So overnight tonight, fog thickening up and getting quite thick through the overnight hours. A touch cooler and damp out there once again. There'll be a lot of moisture on the cars if they're parked outside. Then tomorrow after the morning fog, maybe a few peaks of the sun, and then as we head later in the day, a few spotty showers moving in, moving into the area. Pardon me. As we get into Thursday, Friday, nice and cool, even cooler for the weekend. Overnight lows mid-30s, and then a gradual warm up toward Christmas. Maybe a few showers come Christmas morning, but it shouldn't be a washout. It looks like a better chance of some soaking rains after Christmas. Right now, it looks like Friday, but day 10 always subject to change. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on.